Quinoa salad is a healthy way to get fiber and protein in one meal. This salad has a mix of grains, fruit, and beans that is delicious and great as a portable meal when you're on the go. First, I'm going to cook the quinoa in some vegetable broth here in my rice cooker. I like using a rice cooker because it's easier to use and it tells you when it's ready. Once the rice is cooked and cooled, add it to a large bowl. Then add pigeon peas, celery, fresh parsley, dried cranberries, sliced almonds, garlic, a chopped pink lady apple with some lemon juice, which will stop the apple from browning, olive oil, agave nectar or vegan honey. I've included a link to the vegan honey down below. Salt. Toss all of the ingredients together and store in the refrigerator until chilled. Serve cold and enjoy. I've included a link to this recipe in the description below. If you like this video, then go ahead and click on that like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one.